Where are all the aliens? Watch this video to find out the answer for this question. Have you ever looked up at the sky? Trillions of stars, billions of galaxies. It is a staggering number. And among them, there could be countless planets just like Earth, capable of supporting life. And yet, we are left with one burning question. Where are all the aliens? Wait. Before you skip this video, just think about it. You might never know the answer for the question, and will also miss two mind-blowing facts related to alien existence. With a universe that's 13.8 billion years old and filled with billions of planets, we must definitely not be alone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Galactic Guru. Today, we're looking into one of the biggest mysteries in the universe, the Fermi Paradox. The story goes back to 1950. A Nobel Prize winning physicist named Enrico Fermi casually asked his colleague during lunch, "Where is everyone?" But he was referring to aliens. He questioned that with the sheer number of planets and stars out there, it seemed logical that we should have seen or even heard something by now. But nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, that's only officially. So let's break this down. Our solar system is about 4.5 billion years old. But the universe? It's over 13 billion years old. And there are an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars in our own Milky Way galaxy. And many of these stars do have planets. So, based on what we know, there could be around 300 million potentially habitable planets in just our galaxy. That means alien civilizations had a massive start, potentially billions of years ahead of us. So, where are they? Why haven't we seen any signs of extraterrestrial life? Welcome to Fermi Paradox. One possible answer for this question? Maybe Earth is special. This is called the rare Earth hypothesis. According to this idea, conditions like those on Earth, perfectly balanced for life, could be incredibly rare in the universe. Maybe life is out there, but it's tucked away in far corners of the cosmos, too far for us to ever find it. Or maybe life isn't that common. Life is found on planets which are not too far from its host star and not too close as well. It must be in a zone that is suitable to support life. And this zone is called the habitable zone, which is also known as the Goldilocks zone. The probability of a planet being in habitable zone depends on several factors, including the type of star it orbits, the distribution of planets around the star, and the range of distances considered are habitable for supporting liquid water. Current studies from exoplanet surveys, like those conducted by the Kepler Space Telescope, suggest that 20% to 25% of Sun-like stars could host a rocky planet in their habitable zones. This estimate primarily applies to Earth-sized or slightly larger planets. But what if life does exist and the problem is that civilizations just don't survive long enough to make contact? This brings us to the Great Filter Theory. The idea here is that somewhere along the line of civilization's progress, there is a hurdle so tough, so devastating that most civilizations get wiped out before even they reach the stars. Whether it's a nuclear war or an environmental collapse or something that we cannot even imagine. There is something out there preventing life from spreading across galaxies. So, over the years, scientists have proposed various explanations. Some believe that aliens never even visited us because interstellar travel might be too difficult, while others argue that they could have visited Earth millions of years ago, way before even human existed. Or maybe the aliens are out there, but they have not chosen to talk to us. Welcome to the zoo hypothesis. According to this idea, advanced civilizations are quietly watching us or observing us from afar, like animals in a cosmic zoo. Maybe they are waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or even moral development before they make a contact. Or maybe we're not just that interesting. I hope we are. Then there's this really mind-bending theory, the simulation hypothesis. What if the reason we haven't found any aliens is because we are in a simulated universe? That's right. We could be characters in some advanced civilization's video game. According to this theory, contact with aliens could be off limits, part of rules of the simulation. So one tool scientists use to explore this paradox is the Drake equation, which estimates how many detectable alien civilizations might exist in our galaxy. With over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets so far, we know there are billions of potentially habitable planets out there. But does intelligent life thrive on any of them? Well, some thinkers believe alien civilizations might purposely avoid us. Maybe we're just not interesting enough yet, as we have discussed. While others like Stephen Hawking warned that maybe they are hiding because broadcasting their existence could be dangerous. Well, the good news is that our search for intelligent life is just beginning. With missions like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and projects like Breakthrough Starshot, we are closer than ever to answering the Fermi Paradox. So, could we be on the verge of discovering evidence of an alien life? Well, not all hope is lost. Right now, projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, are scanning the skies, listening for signals that might be coming from alien civilizations. And with new technologies, we are constantly finding more potentially habitable exoplanets. So maybe it's just a matter of time before we finally hear that cosmic hello. So finally it is time to know those two mind-blowing facts that we have discussed earlier. Fact number 1. Invisible alien life form. Some scientists believe that aliens could exist in forms we cannot even perceive, perhaps as energy-based life forms or even organisms that live in dimensions beyond our comprehension. This could be an explanation why we haven't detected them yet. So, there could be an invisible alien that might be looking at you right now. Fact number 2. Oumuamua, a possible alien probe. In 2017, a strange object called Oumuamua entered our solar system. We have named it with a Hawaiian background, which roughly translates to First Distant Messenger. It had highly unusual shape and did not behave like typical asteroids or even comet. Some scientists, including Harvard professor A.V. Loeb, have speculated that it could have been an alien probe sent to observe us. So, what's the answer to the Fermi Paradox? Is life incredibly rare? Are civilizations destroying themselves? Are aliens quietly watching us, or is the truth even stranger than we can even imagine? Well, the universe is vast and mysterious, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. But one thing is for sure, whether we are alone or not, The search for answers is one of the greatest adventures of all time. What do you think about that? Could the universe be teeming with life? Or are we truly alone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of the cosmos. Thanks for watching Galactic Guru. Until next time, keep looking up.